Hello and welcome back to Crypto Lion. Today we'll be looking at the next celebrities to buy Bitcoin. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click the notification bell so you always know when we upload a new video. Ever since Bitcoin and a number of other digital assets started seeing price gains 11 months ago, a great number of famous people like Kiss frontman Gene Simmons, the retired American rapper Logic, hit record producer Murda Beats, and Game of Thrones actress Maisie Williams have all been talking about digital currencies like Bitcoin. The well-known actress Lindsay Lohan tweeted about the leading currency to her 8.4 million followers recently. For years now, famous people have joined the crypto economy in some way or another. Whether they talk about crypto assets, invest in digital currency companies, or invest in Bitcoin itself, a great number of celebrities have shown interest in crypto. Luminaries like Paris Hilton, Floyd Mayweather, DJ Khaled, Mike Tyson, Serena Williams, Lionel Messi, Ashton Kutcher, and more have been connected to the crypto space in some form. During the last 11 months, since the crypto asset Bitcoin and a slew of alternative cryptos started rising in value, celebs have been coming out of the woodwork. Just recently, Bitcoin.com reported on Kanye West when the hip-hop star was running against Joe Biden and Donald Trump for the US presidential election. During his candidacy, West told Joe Rogan in an interview that Bitcoin supporters really have a perspective on what the true liberation of America and humanity will be. After the election, the Grammy-nominated rapper known as Logic dropped around $6 million into Bitcoin. And also during the last month, the rapper Soulja Boy has been examining cryptocurrency solutions and pondered creating his own non-fungible token assets. Soulja Boy is a bit late to the NFT party, as a number of well-known celebrities have been jumping into the NFT space already. For instance, the Rick and Morty cartoonist Justin Roiland sold an NFT art collection for over $1 million in Ether. Just recently, Linkin Park's Mike Shinoda auctioned off some NFT creations as well. Additionally, companies have been using popular celebrities to do cameo endorsements for the leading cryptocurrency. On the 12th anniversary of the Bitcoin white paper, the cybersecurity company Halborn and its co-founder Rob Benke got a number of big-name stars to plug Bitcoin. Hit record producer Murda Beats told his fans that he purchased Bitcoin in October of 2020. On February 10, 2021, the American actress, singer, songwriter, and entrepreneur Lindsay Lohan tweeted about Bitcoin. "Bitcoin to the moon," Lohan tweeted with a rocket ship emoji. Recently, Bitcoin.com has also reported on the Kiss bassist and rock star Gene Simmons and his opinions about the cryptocurrency phenomenon. "I don't believe for a second that most people understand what cryptocurrency is, what it's designed to do, but it is immediate and you don't have to deal with the banks. I like that," Simmons told Bitcoin.com's podcast host Dustin Planthold. Simmons has been tweeting away with Elon Musk and the hip-hop star Snoop Dogg in regard to the meme-based crypto asset Dogecoin. Snoop has been into cryptocurrencies for quite some time, alongside rappers such as Grammatic, 50 Cent, T.I., Akon, Nas, and Talib Kweli. More recently, hip-hop moguls like Jermaine Prime, Young Thug, and Sway Lee have shown interest in cryptocurrencies as well. Popular YouTube stars have also been into cryptocurrencies these days, including Ali Spaniola, Logan Paul, Andre Cheek, and even PewDiePie. At the end of November, John Lennon's son explained that Bitcoin empowers people, and it was one thing that made him optimistic towards the future. It's likely that as cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin grow more popular, celebrities and luminaries will jump on the bandwagon because they like to please the masses. However, some people think that celebrities like Lindsay Lohan tweeting about Bitcoin may be a sign that the leading crypto asset is closing in at the top. The popular actress also tweeted on Wednesday, 10th of February, that she created a new non-fungible token asset using the Rarible.com app. "I believe in a world which is financially decentralized and the power of dreams to be the core lightning network of humans," Lohan's Rarible.com NFT description notes. Billionaire hedge fund manager Bill Miller's flagship fund will soon be able to add Bitcoin exposure by investing in Grayscale's Bitcoin Trust, according to its filing with the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission. The fund currently has about $2.25 billion in assets under management. The Miller Opportunity Test, a hedge fund in the Miller Value Funds family, has filed an amendment to its registration statement with the US SEC to be able to gain exposure to Bitcoin. Bill Miller founded Miller Value Partners LLC in 1999 and serves as the investment manager for the Miller Value Funds family. According to the February 5th filing with the SEC, it says the fund may seek investment exposure to Bitcoin indirectly by investing in the Grayscale Bitcoin Trust, an entity that holds Bitcoin. The Miller Opportunity Trust's investment objective is to seek long-term growth of capital. The filing will become effective 60 days after the filing date. Grayscale Bitcoin Trust is a privately offered investment vehicle, the shares of which are also available over the counter. It recently reached the milestone of over $30 billion in net crypto assets under management, about $24 billion of which are in Bitcoin. Besides the Bitcoin Trust, the company offers 8 other crypto investment products. The Miller Opportunity Trust's SEC filing further explains that the fund will not make any additional investments in the Grayscale Bitcoin Trust if, as a result of the investment, its aggregate investment in Bitcoin exposure would be more than 15% of its assets at the time of investment. Miller has long been a Bitcoin proponent. He said in November last year that every major bank will have exposure to Bitcoin, noting that Bitcoin's volatility decreases as its price increases. As Bitcoin touched new price highs nearing the 50,000 handle, people have been curious as to where the price will go in the future. Meanwhile, despite the gains so far, a number of luminaries, analysts, executives, and proponents from the crypto space believe the leading crypto asset will reach between 60,000 to 6 digits this year. According to Bitcoin.com, Satoshi Nakamoto's invention has gained mass appeal in recent times as the leading digital asset has reached its highest value ever in 2021. On Thursday, 11th of February, Bitcoin spiked to a new all-time high of $48,697. At 6:30 p.m. EST on February 11th, 2021, Bitcoin is swapping hands for $47,821 per coin. With Bitcoin so close to the $50,000 mark, people have been forecasting new price predictions for 2021. Some individuals think that the bull run is not over, and crypto supporters should expect to see much higher prices from here. Although skeptics think that the leading crypto asset is completely worthless and the biggest bubble the world has seen in ages. Mike Novogratz, the founder of Galaxy Digital, recently sat down for an interview with Bloomberg after Tesla revealed that it had purchased $1.5 billion worth of Bitcoin. You got the biggest, wealthiest man in the world and one of the biggest stories doing it. You've got to think other CFOs and CEOs are saying, "What should we be doing?" Novogratz said. He expects a lot more companies to follow Tesla's coattails and thinks that Bitcoin could reach $100,000 this year. In an investor's note a week ago, the quantitative trading firm QCP Capital discussed the finance manager Bridgewater Associates and said the firm explained that should 50% of capital in gold move into Bitcoin, that would result in a price of $85,000 per unit. On February 11th, the crypto analyst from the multi-asset investment platform eToro, Simon Peters, explained in a note to investors that Bitcoin could tap 70,000 by the year's end. He said the crypto asset world is bursting into the realms of traditional finance at a staggering pace. Major payments provider MasterCard announced it will support digital assets directly via its own network, signaling yet another major milestone for the industry. The eToro analyst also added that Bitcoin and its peers are quite simply going to be part of the mainstream financial universe sooner rather than later, and that he expects demand to surge and sees Bitcoin prices hitting at least 70,000 by the end of the year. In this chart, we can see that the main lines are the resistance line and the support line. Notice how the price bounces off the support line. Now the price is also on the support line, and this is a good sign. The price is expected to bounce off the support line and start its confident upward movement. We think that it will be a profitable upward movement. We hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and click that notification bell. Would you like to know more about Bitcoin and its news? Let us know in the comments below. While you're here, check out one of our other videos. Good luck and happy investing.